Hello, creators. Welcome to Victoria Creative Tech, where creativity meets technology and digital income begins. If you've been seeing AI animation everywhere and wondering, can I actually make money with this? The answer is yes, you certainly can.
I'm going to tell you simple truths on how to make money using AI. Now let's go. What AI animation is, the tools beginners can start with, and 3 ways you can turn it into income. Now let's know what AI animation is. AI animation is the process of using artificial intelligence tools to create animated videos automatically or semi-automatically. These tools are what you can use to create your AI animation. AI helps you to generate characters. Yes, it helps you to generate character like this. Create movement, add voiceover, the lip sync, and even write scripts. Yes, all this AI can do this.
Hello, everyone. Welcome. I'm so excited to share this with you. Let's get started.
Even though you are not a professional, you don't need to be professional before you can learn how to use AI animation. You don't have to crack your brain to write script. AI is here to help you to do all of this. Now, the tools you can start with. We have beginner-friendly tools you can explore. You can explore on your AI. We have the AI video generators. Yes, we have different apps that generate video for our AI. We have the Google Veo 3. We have the OpenAI Sora 2. Yes, we have the OpenAI Sora 2. We have the Kling AI. We have the Runway 2. We have the Google Wix. We have a lot of tools you can use. We have the Runway Gen, tools that filmmakers they make use of. We have a lot of AI video generators. Now let's come over to the AI character animations. We have the Cricket AI, we have the HeyGen, we have the Google AI, we have the Vigo AI, we have the Deep Motion, we have the Deep Motion AI video generator. We have the text video platform like 11 Labs, the Morph AI, the Fish Audio, the Website Labs. We have a lot. We have the Grok. We have the Grok AI. We have the Meta AI. We have a lot of AI video generators. Now I can tell you this, you don't need all of them at once. You don't need all of them at once. You have to start with one, master it for some days, then you use it to generate your AI animations. Yes, the 3 ways to make money with AI. We have the YouTube AI animation channel. Like creating a AI animation channel, a faceless account. You can use it for short AI storytelling. Just that you have to signify that it's generated with AI. We have the AI dance trend. We have the educational animation YouTube channels. So you can monetize all this your AI animation through the YouTube ads, the brand deals, and affiliate link. Yes, with YouTube ads, your AI can be monetized. Brands can bring this for you when they see that you are consistent, you know what you are giving your audience. So there will be a brand deals for you to monetize that can generate massive income for you. Also using your affiliate links, people can click on your affiliate links whereby you sell products to make money, just like the freelancing services, signing up on Upwork, Fiverr, other freelancing sites that you can use to animate and explain your video. Like social media, you can be a social media animator, a short marketing clips animator. Clients pay for speed and creativity. Once they see that you are creative with your AI animation, they will pay you instantly. They will pay you instantly, either by per hour or by week or by day, or it depends how your income, what you deal with them, they'll pay you and you will generate massive income with AI. You can also sell your digital products like the animated templates. You can pack your stories, your prompt guide, your mini course. You sell at digital leverage. You have to use the digital leverage very well. Just have to make use of your digital opportunity. Use it to make money now while it lasts. Use AI to make money. The next one is beginner action. Yes, as a beginner, what you have to do is, step one, you have to pick one AI animation tools. By picking AI animation tools, you can start with Grok or Wix AI. You can start with Meta AI. You can start with Nano Banana. You can start with any of the AI. Master how to make use of that AI animator site. You practice for 7 days. Yes, practice consistently. When you practice, you get what you need. Post short clips online. Go to your YouTube channel, go to your TikTok, go to your Instagram, go to your Twitter, go to any of your social media app. Post short clips. As you are practicing, you are setting the record. You post those short clips to gain visibility. Now, improve. You have to improve based on feedback. Whenever your audience they say anything, just try to improve, take correction and improve. If you know you are getting value, kindly click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, like and comment so that I can reply you. With your smartphone, you can generate massive income. Follow me for more tutorial like this. Let's move on. Step 5. Start offering services or monetize content. Yes, like your YouTube channel, the more you post, the more you are going to your monetize content. You can monetize it. You can create your website, you monetize it and post your services there. Don't wait to be perfect. Yes, with time you will be perfect, but you have to start, you improve and scale. Yes, don't wait for no man. You don't have to be perfect before you start it. The more you start, the more you improve, the more you scale through it. So as a new beginner, you don't have to place that fear. Yes, I'm going to tell you, you see, fear is one of the things that kills the inner mind. But once you take that fear away from you, you can start today. Start now. It's better early than late. If this video help you understand how AI animation can become a real income skill, like this video and subscribe to Victoria Creative Tech. On this channel, I teach AI tools, creative tech skills, and digital income system that can change your online journey. And in the next video, I will show you the best AI tools beginners should start with. Let's build your digital future together. Bye.